Hello friends, I am outside going for a walk. You may or may not know the benefits of fresh air. It improves your immune system, it lowers your blood pressure, it helps you sleep better. It's actually really good for tinnitus patients as well because you get to enrich your environment with natural sounds. That fresh air just feels good. I'm outside of Chicago, about an hour outside Chicago, and we had a horrible cold front. It was in the negatives for very long. But now, we're holding steady at the mid 30s. It's not so bad. And yes, I still have like two hats on because I'm a wuss when it comes to the cold. I don't like it. But I'm out here getting the fresh air, getting the exercise. It can be so helpful if you struggle with tinnitus. Really, it can just be helpful for overall health. So, if weather permits, get your butt up, get outside, get some fresh air, take some deep breaths, listen to the sounds in your environment. I've got geese going over, I've got cars hitting the pavement, the wet pavement from the snow. All of that, enriching your environment with sound can be really helpful if you have tinnitus. All right, friends, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.